Hello friends, welcome to my channel JMakeover. In this video I'm going to show negative filling. What is negative filling? What is the difference between the normal filling and the negative filling? I'll just show you here. One is, see, I'm doing a design. I'm drawing a mango and I want this to be highlighted. What do? I keep an outline, that is guideline, and then I fill in whatever I feel like. I fill in with the design whatever I feel like. Okay, so get this. I fill in like this, and then I make a finishing line. So this gets highlighted. This gets included in the design. But there is one more thing to highlight this. Say for an example, there is a chick. Okay, there is a lotus design. One simple one. Okay, so I want this lotus design to be highlighted, but I'm not going to do anything inside. What I'm going to do, I'm going to completely shade the outside. Okay, shading is not just like this. Sometimes we do this. I will teach you how to do the shading later. So every element of the mehendi we will learn step by step, and then we will do a full mehendi design of your choice. So first I'll just draw outline. I'm not even drawing the outline inside like this. I'm very outmost part of the design. Okay, just to create a border so that my shading doesn't interfere inside. Go by one direction. If you have started like this in a horizontal, do it everywhere in horizontal. If you have started, I have started little slanting, so I'm going to do this. I'm doing it slowly just to make you understand it better, that how does it highlight, how it highlights the lotus design. This is that you are this filling inside. Whatever the part is not needed, you just remove it by filling it. When your tip touches like this, you will get something gathered. So just clearing. Just making a perfect square by the outline. And finishing line. Okay, so this is negative filling. This is the usual filling. Whatever I want to highlight, I'm filling inside, and this is the negative filling. Whatever I want to highlight, I'm filling the outside. Okay, I hope you found the different and you find this video very useful. If it is so, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to press on the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.